When an institution has a StudyMate campus license, students can download an iPhone, iPad, or Android app for StudyMate. The app is free and is available from iTunes and the Google Play stores. At startup, you'll see a screen that asks for a one-time setup code. To get your code, go to the StudyMate application within your learning system. Go to the User Settings menu and select Add or Remove Mobile Device. Under Activate a New Device, select the Generate Code button to see the new code. Then enter the code on the setup screen. There's no need to log in each time, and you don't need to navigate to the StudyMate materials in the online course. The My Projects folder appears first in the list. This contains all StudyMate projects you've created or followed. Next in the list are your online courses where the instructor has made one or more StudyMate projects available. Make your selection and then choose the project you want to study. Once a StudyMate project is selected, you'll see a list of available games and activities. Select one to begin. You can share a StudyMate project with someone else by selecting the Share icon. The URL for the project will appear, and you can press the Copy button to place the URL in the clipboard. At this point, simply paste the copied link into an email or text message and send it to whoever you'd like. If the link for a StudyMate project is shared with you, copy the URL to your clipboard and select Follow from the StudyMate homepage. Paste the link into the field and select Save. The followed project will now appear at the top of your My Projects list. One final note, StudyMate lets you work offline using data from the last time you synced. You can perform a sync with the options shown here, or it will sync automatically the next time you start the app. Well, that's pretty much it. Get started now by downloading the free StudyMate app from the iTunes or Google Play Store.